Good morning student, welcome to standard 3 language part lesson 9 adjectives degree of comparison. Take out your Collins English grammar and composition book of standard 3 and turn to page number 43. Student, look, lesson 9 adjectives degree of comparison. Read these sentences. Gary is tall, Edward is taller than Gary, Henry is tallest of them all. The second sentence compares the heights of Edward and Gary using the adjective taller. The third sentence compares the heights of Edward, Gary and Henry using the adjective tallest. Both adjectives come from the usual form of adjective tall. We can compare two or more things using adjectives. An adjective can have three forms depending on how many things we compare. Let's go through the rules how to compare. Okay, students, there are three types of degree: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Let's go for some rules. What is positive degree? Positive degree, this degree always denote a simple quality. Comparative, this degree compare two things together. If there are two things, two persons, we use a comparative degree. Superlative degree, this degree compare more than two things and tell us which is the highest one. Superlative degree tells us of the highest one among more than two things or persons. Let's have a look how we form or write these degrees. Comparative and superlatives. One syllable. What is one syllable? That is the sound of the vowel. If it is one, if we are not breaking it, okay, like fast, young. With this type of one syllable, we always add ER if in a comparative degree and EST in a superlative degree. Here you see, fast we have added ER, faster. Young we have added ER with young, younger. And in superlative degree, we always use the. Remember student, in superlative degree, we always use the before the word. Fast become fastest, EST we have added. Young become youngest, EST we have added. Comparative degree, adjective plus ER. A dog is faster than an elephant. It will be not more fast. It will be faster. And remember to use than. 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 When we are comparing one thing with another, a dog. We are comparing dog with elephant. Two things, two animals are there. So here we have used faster. We have added ER and then we have written than. So it will be a dog is faster than an elephant. In superlative degree, we add EST. The horse is the fastest. Here we have used the fastest. Always remember to write the before the word. Okay. And you will add EST in a superlative degree. Okay. This is right. The horse is the fastest. These are the two animals, dog and elephant, which we have compared. And we have written faster than a dog is faster than an elephant. And among these animals, who is the fastest? The horse is the fastest. Okay, student, if it sounds one syllable. Students, there are words which are one syllable. Which are one syllable. Okay. But it has a consonant, then a short vowel in between, and then again ends with a consonant. This we say CVC, big. You see, B is a consonant, I is a vowel, and C is a consonant, G is a consonant. So here CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. In this type of word with one syllable where it comes CVC, we always add. We always double the last consonant and then add ER and EST. Always remember, in CVC sound, one sound syllable, we add ER and EST after doubling the last consonant and then we add these two, like big bigger. See here, B-I-G, G was the last consonant, and here again G we have added and then ER. So bigger in a comparative, in hotter in a comparative. And superlative, biggest, G, double the G, and then EST we have added, the biggest, and then hot, double we have double the T, and then hottest in CVC sound, one syllable. More examples we can see. See, fat consonant, F, A vowel, T consonant. It will become fatter, fattest, big, bigger, biggest, slim, slimmer, slimmest, flat, flatter, flattest. This type of words where consonant, vowel and consonants are there, we add double the last consonant and then ER and EST are added. Always remember this. Students, with one syllable word ending with Y, positive, it is happy, HAPPY. We have changed the Y in I, and then we have added ER, happier, and then Y is again changed into I, and we have added EST, happiest. Always remember, the words which end with Y, we change the Y into I, then we add ER and EST. Like here you see two syllables ending in Y, happy, crazy, happier, happiest. Y we have changed to I, and then happier, crazier, happiest, and then craziest. Okay, student, remove the Y and add I. Remember to remove the Y and add I. Children, here you see two or more syllable. When there are two or more syllables, and in this case, like famous, famous, two syllable sound or more, A-O-U, so famous. In this case, it will be not famousest, it will be not famousest. It will change to more famous. For comparative, we use more before the word, and for superlative, we use the most. We use the most. Here you see, the most famous, famous, more famous, the most famous, expensive, more expensive, the most expensive. Always remember, when it is two or more syllables, we have to add more and the most for the superlative, more for the comparative before the word. Okay, we will not add ER or EST in this type of syllables word. Here you can see with some examples. Comparative, a car is more expensive than a bike. Superlative, the plane is the most expensive way to travel. Always remember, two or more syllables, we add more and the most. Now students, there are some common exceptions in this type of irregular words. We don't add ER or EST. We change with the word, but we change the whole word. Like good, we take an example, good, and goodwill comparative is better, superlative the best. Exceptions are there, so here we will change the word. Bad, worse comparative, superlative the worst. You are a better singer than John. We will not write you are more good than John, but we will write you are a better singer than John. Okay, or gooder also we will not do. Superlative, it was the worst decision she had ever made. This is the right sentence. We will not write most bad or baddest. There are few examples like quiet, quiet, more quiet, most quiet also we can write. These are irregular words, and for these we can also use quieter or quietest. Okay, so this way you can do the adjectives, comparative and superlative. Let's see the examples here. The baby is happier, the giraffe has a long neck. These are the positive degree. Aparna looks happier than Anuj, happier. This is comparative. Praveen is the happiest person I know. Means among all, who is the highest one? Praveen. He is the happiest, superlative. Here you see, for some adjectives we add more or less. Beautiful, more beautiful, exciting, less exciting. For some adjectives, we add most or least before the adjective instead of adding est. For superlative degree, dangerous, most dangerous, interesting, least interesting. Some adjectives do not follow any rule of these patterns. Their others forms are completely different from their usual forms, like good, better, best, bad, worst, worst, which we have already seen. And here you don't forget that an adjective in the comparative form is always followed by than. Remember, if there are two persons, it's always followed by than, and we always add the before adjective with est. Ramesh is the best batsman in the team. Rahi is the best student in her class. Student, your homework for today is to learn all the examples in details, and don't forget to learn this grammar bites too. See you in the next part of the video with solved exercises. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.